North Korea has fired an unidentified ballistic missile into the sea off South Korea's east coast, Seoul's military said on Monday, the latest in an apparent volley of tests by Pyongyang this year. North Korea has fired an unidentified missile into the East Sea, South Korea's Joint Chiefs of Staff said, referring to the body of water also known as the Sea of Japan. Tokyo also confirmed the launch, with the Japanese Defense Ministry saying a suspected ballistic missile was launched from North Korea in a post on X. Japan's Coast Guard, citing the Defense Ministry, said shortly after the initial announcement that the missile appeared to have already fallen. Japanese media, including public broadcaster NHK, reported that the suspected missile fell outside Japan's exclusive economic zone, citing unnamed government sources. Seoul-based specialist site NK News said that the brief flight time, likely under 10 minutes, points to the launch involving a short-range ballistic missile or 60mm multiple launch rocket system. The latest launch comes after UN sanctions monitoring against the nuclear-armed nation was suspended last month by Russia. In March, Pyongyang's ally Moscow utilized its United Nations Security Council veto, effectively terminating UN oversight of violations concerning sanctions on Kim Jong-un's government for its nuclear and weapons program. Last Friday, North Korea conducted a test of a super-large warhead tailored for a strategic cruise missile, as reported by state media, while Seoul's military confirmed simultaneous cruise missile launches. Notably, testing cruise missiles is not prohibited under current UN sanctions on North Korea. These missiles, propelled by jet engines, fly at lower altitudes compared to ballistic missiles, rendering them more challenging to detect and interpret. There are concerns among analysts that North Korea may be testing cruise missiles for potential deployment in Ukraine amid allegations that Pyongyang has supplied weapons to Moscow, despite UN sanctions prohibiting such actions. Seoul asserts that Pyongyang dispatched approximately 7,000 containers of weaponry to Moscow for potential use in Ukraine. North Korea has recently strengthened military ties with Moscow, expressing gratitude to Russia for its veto that blocked the renewal of a UN expert panel overseeing international sanctions against Pyongyang. Additionally, North Korea has intensified its testing activities, claiming to have conducted trials of a new medium to long-range solid-fuel hypersonic missile in early April. Pyongyang declared itself an irreversible nuclear weapon state in 2022. US Secretary of State Antony Blinken, who was in Seoul last month, will be back in the region this week, making his second visit in less than a year to China.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.